Here's how to find deleted messages on your iPhone. Now, if you accidentally deleted a message on your iPhone, but you just wanted to be able to get it back, there are 3 ways that we can get back any of those deleted messages, even if you deleted them over 30 days ago, which is usually when they're automatically deleted. So let's jump right into it. The first option, of course, is just open up the Messages app on your iPhone, and then tap on the filter at the top right, and then select Recently Deleted. After you've done that, you'll be able to see all of your messages. At the top, it does say that these are automatically permanently deleted, and it might take up to 40 days, and you can see the amount of days left. So you can just tap on any of these and tap the Recover button. And once you've done that, it will recover the message. Or if you uncheck this, you could always just tap on Recover All to get back all of these messages. Now, if you don't see it in there, that's no problem. Let's walk through those other 2 options. The next one is to tap on the Settings app on your iPhone. Oh, let me go back to the beginning here. And then you're going to tap on your name at the top. And then you're going to tap on iCloud. From here, right next to Save to iCloud, let's tap on See All. And then towards the bottom, tap on Messages in iCloud. You can see, of course, iCloud Messages is turned on, which means they're all being backed up to iCloud. However, there's a trick here to be able to download those messages even if they're deleted on your iPhone, but they're still on iCloud. So if you toggle this off, you can see it says disable and download the messages that are stored in your iCloud. So try that, tap on disable and download messages to see if it pops up. But if it still doesn't, that's no problem as well. We can check the third option. So go all the way back to the beginning and swipe down. Tap on apps at the bottom. And then again, scroll down until you get to messages on this list and tap on that. Now within messages, we can check to see if you're forwarding those messages to another device and then just check them on that device as well. So to be able to do that, all we need to do is scroll down and you're finding text message forwarding. And you can see in this case, I'm forwarding all my messages to my Mac computer. And I can just open that up and check to see if those messages are on that device, even if they're deleted from my iPhone. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like, subscribe to the video, and comment if you still have any questions or if this legitimately helped you solve your problem and get back your messages.